Humanity has always been driven by an insatiable curiosity, a desire to explore and push the boundaries of what is possible. Nowhere is this more evident than in our quest to colonize Mars, the red planet that has captivated the imagination of scientists, dreamers, and visionaries for centuries. But why Mars? What is it about this desolate, inhospitable world that has inspired generations of explorers to set their sights on it? One of the key reasons for choosing Mars for colonization is its proximity to Earth. Unlike other planets in our solar system, Mars is relatively close to Earth, making it a more feasible target for human exploration and eventual colonization. One of the primary motivations behind Mars colonization is scientific curiosity and exploration. Mars, with its rugged terrain, ancient geology, and potential for past or present life, offers a treasure trove of scientific mysteries waiting to be unlocked. By establishing human settlements on Mars, scientists and researchers can conduct in-depth studies of the planet's surface, atmosphere, and geological history, shedding light on the origins of our solar system and the potential for life beyond Earth. Additionally, Mars shares some similarities with Earth, such as a day length that is similar to ours, which could potentially make it easier for humans to adapt to living there. Over the years, robotic missions to Mars have provided us with valuable insights into its geology, climate, and potential resources. In an era of increasing environmental challenges and geopolitical tensions on Earth, Mars represents a potential haven for humanity, a backup plan in case of planetary catastrophe. By establishing self-sustaining colonies on Mars, we can ensure the survival of our species and preserve the collective knowledge and culture of humanity for future generations. Mars colonization serves as an insurance policy for the long-term survival of humanity, safeguarding our species against existential threats. Mars is believed to have abundant reserves of water ice, which could be essential for supporting human life and fueling future missions. The Martian soil also contains elements like nitrogen and carbon, which are essential for plant growth and could be used to create habitats and sustain agriculture. But perhaps the most compelling reason for choosing Mars is the opportunity it presents for humanity to become a multiplanetary species. Becoming a multiplanetary species is crucial for the long-term survival of humanity. By colonizing Mars, we can ensure that our species continues to thrive, even in the face of potential disasters on Earth. The challenge of colonizing Mars pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity and technological innovation, driving advancements in space exploration, robotics, life support systems, and terraforming technologies. The journey to Mars requires new propulsion systems, habitats capable of withstanding harsh Martian conditions, and sustainable resource utilization methods. By tackling these engineering challenges, we pave the way for future space exploration and colonization efforts, opening up new frontiers of human achievement and discovery. Mars represents a blank canvas, a new frontier waiting to be explored and settled by pioneers from Earth. Of course, the journey to Mars will not be easy. It will require immense technological advancements, international cooperation, and a willingness to push the boundaries of what is possible. The quest to colonize Mars transcends national boundaries and geopolitical rivalries, fostering international collaboration and unity in pursuit of a common goal. Space agencies, private companies, and research institutions from around the world are joining forces to explore and colonize Mars, pooling their resources, expertise, and knowledge to overcome the challenges of interplanetary travel and settlement. Mars colonization serves as a symbol of human cooperation and solidarity, reminding us of the boundless potential of collaboration in the face of shared challenges. The journey to Mars will be one of the greatest challenges humanity has ever faced. From the harsh radiation of deep space to the unforgiving conditions on the Martian surface, every aspect of the mission will push us to our limits. But it's a challenge worth undertaking. The lessons we learn from colonizing Mars will not only benefit our species but will also advance our understanding of the universe and our place within it. So why Mars? Because it represents the next great frontier for humanity, a chance to push the boundaries of exploration and discovery beyond anything we've ever imagined. And with determination, innovation, and a collective spirit of adventure, we will make Mars our new home.